Hello, hi, cutie pies. Denton89 here. I'm still struggling with my flu, but I'm going better. Yay! Today I'm gonna show you these Kinder Surprise eggs from the Minions. But first, let's check out the Minions that I've got in my recent videos. And here are the first one. It's like the nude Minion. I think he's on the head of an alligator or a T-Rex or something. I haven't seen the movie yet, so please comment in the comment section down below so I can know. Yay! And here are the next minion that I've got in my recent videos. He's holding like a gun, a glue gun or something. Or is it lava? Or a lava lamp? Or a lava glue gun? I don't know. And here for sure is the pirate minion. Oh my god, so cool. And with all the treasures here. Yay. Oops, you guys. You just hang his treasures on his hook. Yay. Super cool. Well, I will stand them right here so we can open up this box of Kinder Surprise eggs from the Minions movie. Super cool. And here we have 1, 2, and 3 Kinder eggs. Oops, guys. What can it be? What can it be? Please, if you like the Kinder Eggs surprise videos, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe, you guys. You are awesome. I love you all, guys. You are the best in the world. And the first toy surprise we have here is, let's check it out. Here is the flyer. Yay. And it looks like we have here a rabbit. Can you see it, guys? On the stand. But it's also a crayon rabbit, I think. But it doesn't work on this piece of paper. Can you see? It's very bad, actually. But it's supposed to be blue. Yay. But it's a nice rabbit, very cute. Let's go on with the next Kinder Surprise egg. Yum yum chocolate. I love the Kinder chocolate. I can't get enough of it. And the next toy surprise is, it looks like we have here a Minion, you guys. But first, let's check out the flyer. And here are all the Minions that you can collect. And I think we got the musician Minion. Super cool. He's holding a guitar. Yay! Let's put him with his Minions friends right over here. In these boxes, it says that it's 1 out of 3 Kinder eggs that's supposed to contain a Minion. But I can only hope for 1 Minion more. I will have all the Minions in the collection. But I'm happy and satisfied whatever toy it's inside. Okay, let's check out here what we got. It's not a Minion, but it looks like a fingerboard. It's a mini finger skateboard. So let's build this little skateboard. You just click the 2 parts together, and it also comes with an awesome stickers, you guys. that you just put up on the top. Yay, super cool. Yay, and it has some working wheels. Yay. Today my favorite toy was this Minion. Let's check out if he can... Oops! If he can stand on the skateboard. Yay! Yay! Well, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more toy surprises and Kinder Egg surprises right here on Downton 89. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to my videos. You are the best guys in the world. Yay!